Welcome to next session number 4, setting up OpenStack Z. This demo is based on this repository. Go and check the repository, visit the repository, start this repository. Environment is this, ENP0S3. First network adapter is management network. Second adapter S8 is unconfigured, used for external, and third is NAT. So let's not waste time, get started. I just opened my putty session. We are logging into our controller node 10.10.0.11. So stack user, and you see the welcome message is gone, as you noticed in my previous lecture number 3. So now let's go to the scripts and Ubuntu. So first 3 lectures. In the first lecture, we installed Ubuntu, we installed software configured networking. In the second, we installed prerequisites, memcache, RabbitMQ, MySQL, all those stuff. In the third lecture, we configured Keystone. So let's go by the order of the script. Next script is glance. That is step number 8, sequence number 8, setup glance. So let's check the script. 8, setup glance. This script will do the installation of packages. Let's execute it. So let's execute the script number 8. Installation of the script is complete. Let's check the step number 9, setting up glance. In the first phase, you can see that we are setting up the database. This will be done by setup database function with this user and the password. Then we are sourcing the file. So inside the Keystone, we are creating a user, that is glance admin user. We are adding this user to admin role name. Then we are creating a service with the name glance. Then we are creating endpoints, glance service endpoints, public, private, and internal. Then creating the database configuration file, main glance api.conf file, and these are the sections inside that file: Keystone, auth token, and the values, the key and the value. So this is the section, this is the value, this is the key, and this is the value. We are changing this paste deploy section also inside the same file, and then synchronizing the database. After that, we are restarting glance API and verifying the configuration that yes, there is an image. We will create that image and we'll list that image from the image folder. This was explained in second lecture, the environment. So go and check the second lecture if you have not done so, from where the images are coming. So let's execute this. So let's execute script number 9. This will set up the glance. So you see everything is done automatically, creating image service, populating the database now, synchronizing it, restarting service, waiting for the glance service. Now it will download and set up the image. So first image, CirrOS image, is already there in the OpenStack now. So that was the demo to set up glance image management service for OpenStack. In the next, you will see the Nova compute service configuration and management, installation, configuration, and working with that. Thanks for watching. Take care.